Hey traders, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to our Gbp Jpy weekly analysis. This is just to let you know that we are looking here for a 500 pips on Gbp Jpy as a bearish. So here's our multiple time frame letting us know the market it is in a buy position. Here's a TW sniper entry as well. What are we looking for here? We're looking for a reversal. So the market is giving us this coming week a sell position as a sell. So 500 pips coming down is going to be retesting our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci level, and then from here market will continue as a buy position. Always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is letting you know here on 4 hours and 1 hour it is selling, which is true. It's exactly what it's doing here. Okay, so let me know guys in the comment below if you guys need any other video that you want me to make so we can all be on the same page. So once again, let's trade with Team with Irvin. Link on bio. Take care. Peace out. Hasta la vista.